Welcome to this introduction to reflective essay 2. Like we did with reflective essay 1, in reflective essay 2, we are writing an essay about an essay. In this case, reflective essay 2 is an analysis of how you did in major essay 2. It will help you plan for revising your major essay 2 for a better grade. And I saw when I was grading your reflective essay ones that a lot of you were finding all on your own the things that you really needed to work on. So this will help you get in the right mindset and plan for revising your major essay. This should also help you do well on major essay 3 because we're evaluating how we did on source use, which you have to do again in major essay 3. It will help you meet the course objectives. So in reflective essay 2, you are going to be analyzing how you use the sources in the body of your major essay 2. As far as requirements, the content, I'm asking you to focus on source use in major essay 2. For the structural requirements, I'm asking you to, in your reflective essay, you need to have an introduction paragraph with a thesis. You need to have body paragraphs with topic and summary sentences and a conclusion paragraph. And the information about the specifics will be on the essay map, which is on the reflective essay 2 assignment sheet. So that's the overview of the reflective essay. Now to get started on your reflective essay, I want you to go back, start rereading your revised draft to major essay 2. And as you're going to be looking for the places you used quotations. And I want you to highlight those quotations in specific ways. So go through and look, highlight the quotation itself in one color and then the other pieces in another. So when you run into a quotation, highlight the introduction of the quotation in one color. In this case, I highlighted it in yellow. And then I highlighted the actual quotation itself in blue. And then I highlighted the analysis of the quotation in green. The reason I did those in different colors is because I will be asking you to focus on how you did those pieces specifically. So you need to be able to quickly go back and look through your paper. And if I'm asking you to focus on the introductions of quotations, you would go back and, like, if it were me, I would go back and look for all of the yellow parts of my paper, and then I could find those really easily and see exactly what they were and how they were working. Go through your essay, do your highlighting. If you would prefer, you can print it off and do the highlighting. If not, I used Microsoft Word and just used the highlighting tool in that. So once you've done all of your highlighting, go back and examine all of the pieces you've highlighted. Take notes on what you think of them, favorites, least favorites, that kind of thing. And then when you've done all of that, go to step 2 of getting started, which is to do the self-review assignment in the weekly folder. The self-review assignment should help you evaluate your essay and develop the actual content for your reflection essay. It's an assignment in the weekly folder in Blackboard. Once you do the self-review assignment, you can use that assignment to build your reflection essay. And this next part of the presentation is about how to use the self-review to build a reflection. So for this self-review, there are 11 questions. Questions 1 and 2. Well, first of all, let's talk about the topic of the body paragraphs. So there are 3 body paragraphs that you need to have in this reflection essay. They're all about quotations, but they're about different parts of the quotations. Body paragraph 1 is about quotation choice. You're reflecting on how well you chose your quotations to support the points that you were making. Body paragraph 2 is about how well you introduced your quotations. How effective was that move that you were making in your paper? Body paragraph 3 is about your analysis of quotations. So, in the self-review, questions 1 and 2 are about how you chose your quotations, and those go to form the middle of your body paragraph about quotation choice, the portion highlighted in blue. Question 3 gets you the keywords and key ideas that you need to put in the topic and summary sentence of that paragraph. And it is about your overall evaluation of your quotation choice. So 4, 5, and 6 are the middle of the body paragraph about introducing quotations. So you would put that information from your self-review in the middle of that body paragraph. And question 7 helps you identify the main idea or your overall evaluation of how you introduce your quotations. And then body paragraph 3, the middle is answered in questions 8 and 9. And it's about how well you did with the analysis of your quotation. Question 10 will help you get to the topic and summary sentence of that third body paragraph. And then question 11, it's a lot to get in one sentence, but what it's asking you is to sum up your feelings in general about your quotations, like generally how they supported your points, how you introduce them, and how you analyze the quotations. You're going to sum it up in one sentence, and it's hard, but it's worth the trouble because that can become your thesis statement. And remember, your thesis statement goes at the end of your introduction. So this is how you use the self-review to start building your essay and how it ties to the graphic organizer. If you have any questions, please reach out. But now it's time to start rereading your revised draft of Major Essay 2, highlighting the portions of your essay so that you can analyze your quotation use, and working on your self-review and your reflection essay.